体を発見したときに4つに分類することになってて。
There are 4 categories of dead bodies we find: natural deaths, illness-related deaths, murders, and we say the others are suspicious
この3
deaths.
つのどれでもないものを変死。
質を上げて、そこで着実に一歩ずつ。
It's necessary to have a qualitative approach before making the numbers of autopsies go up. To achieve this, it's important to establish a safe and sustainable environment for our professionals.
一番大事だと思います。
一定の捜査経験を有してその上で死体の
We have a team of experts, of which numbers have grown, that we send on the ground to examine the body. These agents have great experience of investigation on the ground and have received training about the human anatomy.
死体を見るということをしています。